Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 20th, 2021. We're here to give you all an update in the market for Cardano. You guys can see it's been about 3 days since we did our last price prediction for this cryptocurrency. Y'all can see what has happened since that time. We played the market strength into the market in Cardano. Y'all can see where exactly it went versus our TP price, ultimate TP price. And now you can see that we're getting some weakness into the market. Now, before I break all of this down, if today is your first time watching this particular video, you guys see how simple our price chart looks as well as our jargon. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe. We're not here to confuse you. Plain and simple, we're just simply here to get in position and win to wherever the price goes. We need to beat everyone else in this particular market in order for us to win. So if you want to be part of this community, make sure you hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe. It will be a benefit for you to tap that bell notification as well, so you all will understand and see when we upload our price predictions in the market for the cryptocurrency space. So it's been 3 days. Right here on March the 17th, we did our last price prediction into Cardano. We told you all to expect the market strength to appear, and it happened relatively quick. You know, I'm not going to be blinded to show you all that the market in Cardano did go high in price, but it happened on the 18th of March, right? And literally it came just shy of our ultimate TP price. I want to zoom in and show you all that. Right here is where the market high came into Cardano, right there around $1.47. We had up there around $1.50. You know, just try to give you all a nice round number in anticipation as to how high the market in Cardano could go. And it pretty much went there almost to the T. Now, we're not going to be on point, precise, exactly to where we expect the market to go, but we knew that sellers were going to be there in the market in Cardano before the market actually went there. So if anything, could have gotten out about 18.5% profitability in less than a day. This is how you're able to come into the market, get what you came to get, and you walk out. We came into the market in Cardano with the expectation of it going up there to $1.50. 18.5% was the reward, and we left the store. So now that is done, that is over. We need to get rid of it. And let's talk about where we expect the market in Cardano to go now. First thing we really want to point out into the market in Cardano is the fact that we were seeing how the market in Cardano was able to break back up above the trend right here, right? The market in Cardano was able to come right back above that ascending line. But immediately following that occurrence, the market in Cardano closed below. So now what does that tell us? It simply tells us that overall demand into the market in Cardano to stay above that ascending line, it is gone. Like, it was a trick, it was a fake. The trap gave us a positional thinking into thinking that the market in Cardano was going to continue to trade above that line, and immediately the next day he told you, I'm not going to bring that market back up above that ascending line. This is precisely what is going on into the market. So if anything, we all need to be under the premise that the market in Cardano is not in an upward trend as of this particular moment. So what does that mean? That leaves us with two other options. Either the market in Cardano will break down and go lower in price, or we will hold a consolidational trading range. So let me show you what that consolidational trading range is going to be. Okay. So since we are under the premise that the market in Cardano is no longer in a upward trend, the next phase will have to be for the market in Cardano to trade within a channel again, right? So this area right here around $1.50, $1.48 is that area of restriction into the market for Cardano. How do we know? Well, the trap has already shown us twice that this area is restriction. So there's no need for us to think anything outside of that. He has confirmed that $1.48, $1.50 is restriction. So that is the restriction line. That is where a majority of the sellers are at in the market for Cardano. Now, where is support? There's two areas of support. I'm seeing this wider area of support in the market in Cardano down here. Okay, that is the ultimate area of support into the market for Cardano right here, because we've seen the market confirm that area of being propped up right there around $1 even. So this is a very wide consolidational trade range. And let's just make it simple. You guys can tell that we started, hit restriction, came down, bounced back up to restriction, and now you would expect us to come back down. Now, in the midst of coming down, okay, there are other areas of support in the market in Cardano. This is the first one. So the market can still prop itself up right here at $1.20. Next area is going to be $1.10. So there's 10-cent increments to where the market can prop itself up according to this trap. Okay, the first one is $1.20. The next one is $1.10, and then ultimately we cannot see the market in Cardano break $1 to the downside. Now let's see the market in Cardano on a different time frame. So now looking into the market in Cardano on a 3-day time frame, you all can tell that that last completed 3-day price bar definitely lets us know, based off the amount of volume, that there is more selling going on in Cardano. So yes, we are under the premise that Cardano will go lower in price. Again, 120 is going to be tried as support. I'm going to give you that right now. The market is going to try to prop itself up at $1.20. We need to wait to see if it actually occurs, because if not, we're coming all the way back down to around $1.10. What about on a 5-day time frame? You guys can still see here that weakness is definitely being seen into the market in Cardano there. And right here on the weekly time frame still lets us know that the overall market in Cardano is giving us weakness, but there's definitely a market for those who are willing to purchase Cardano at these prices. That's why the market ultimately is not taking a massive movement to the downside. So we're taking all that in consideration. We are going to play the weakness into the market in Cardano. It is what it is. But we're going to first try to see this market grab support at $1.20. Okay, $1.20, which is about 4.25%, almost 4.5% right there. Now that's the best scenario we can have in the bullish case of seeing Cardano go higher. We cannot see the price break below $1.20. If we do, then the market definitely is going to show us more or less we're going to trade within this overall trading channel, okay, that I've just created. These two lines right here, this is what the market is going to do if we see this market break $1.20. Okay, so let's do that right now. We're going to play the weakness into the market in Cardano. Definitely $1.36 and $1.40 is restriction. I am expecting the market to try to hold support around $1.20, like I told you earlier. So we would come into the market and skim off a little bit of profit right there, because definitely I can see the trap trying to come in and hold that market price there. And then the next area would be around $1.15, which is around 8.5 cents. We might even do a very quick touch around $1.10, like I told you earlier. So we're going to ultimately hold the support area around $1.10 in Cardano. So those are the two price levels we are eyeing. First, $1.20. Next is $1.10. Now is your turn. Where do you all expect the market in Cardano to go in the next 3 days? Right now, we have taken out the way the market in Cardano going high in price, following that ascending line that we shown you earlier on the video, to trading within a trading channel. This is what we're expecting the market to do in Cardano. And then as we continue to go off this upcoming trading week, we should have a better idea if the market's going to be able to maintain that trading range, or will we break down? So let me know your thoughts about where do you think Cardano is going to go in the next 3 days? Because like I told you in the beginning of this video, we need to make sure that we are in position to capitalize on wherever the price goes. So let everyone in our community, where do you expect the price to be in Cardano in the next 3 days? And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.